Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Subaru Forester headlight. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the ignition. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Locate the headlight assembly and remove the retaining screws or clips. Carefully unplug the wiring harness and twist out the old bulb while wearing gloves. Install the new bulb, reconnect the harness, secure the assembly, and test the light. Begin by checking access points around the headlight. Some models require removing a wheel liner or bumper clips. Use a screwdriver or socket to remove fasteners and gently pull the assembly forward. If space is tight, turn the steering wheel away from the side you are working on for extra room. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. Set the assembly on a clean surface to prevent scratches and prepare to swap the bulb. Wearing gloves, remove the old bulb by unlocking its retaining ring or twisting the base. Compare the new bulb to ensure it matches the socket and orientation. Carefully insert the bulb without touching the glass and secure it with the ring or clip. Reconnect the electrical connector and temporarily reconnect the battery to test the beam and alignment. If the beam is off, adjust the headlight aim per factory guidelines, then fully reassemble and tighten all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.